SQL, or SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a programming language designed to manage data kept in relational databases. These are one or more tables made up of rows and columns, just like a spreadsheet, that are connected relationally through keys. But enough of the boring stuff, let's get into queries. You're going to want to go to this link from W3 Schools in the description. It's a brilliant resource to access SQL online and query databases. As you can see in this editor window here, we can access all of these databases. Let's start with customers, which we can see as 91 records, or rows. Firstly, select. Select everything from customers. And there you go. We pulled all that data. Now what have we done here? You generally always start a SQL statement with the select clause. Now it doesn't particularly matter the case. We could do it like this and it would work. We could also do it like this and it would still work. We may want to select only specific columns from this database rather than everything. So let's explore that. Let's do select customer name, which I can see down here, and city from customers. And there you go. Something very useful to bear in mind is that we may not want to pull all the data. There could be thousands of records or rows. So let's try select from customers. We only want to limit that to the top 5 columns. And again, it's generally convention to finish with a semicolon. Currently it's pulling through all the cities, which means there'll be duplicates. So let's try this. Next, we'll move on to the where clause. Perhaps we only want to look at people from Germany. So we'll select all from customers where country equals, inside quotation marks, Germany. And equally, you can select all from customers where contact name equals, and we can do specific names. We could do this name down here. Perhaps we don't know the name of the customer, but we do know it starts with an M. So let's select all from customers where contact name is like. We use this % wildcard here, and this means M and then anything after. Here we go. We can equally do anything that ends in an M, or any name that contains an M. We can look at the count. We can look at the maximum product ID, the minimum, the average, and so on. You can only learn so much in a couple minutes, but hopefully this has given you a good idea and grounding in SQL to understand what can be done and how to structure a query. Now go overplay yourself, and best of luck.